Hey everybody, it's Kip Johnson with Jones Group Realtors again, here for my bi-weekly videos. And again, I'm here with Casey Carpenter at MLO, and we are going to go into how your lender can help your offers get accepted. So, Casey, how can you, as a loan officer, help get my clients' offers accepted?
Yeah, I think there's some kind of hidden details in there, which is fantastic that people don't understand. But there is a way that your lender can help your offer get accepted, in a competitive market. And this is something we do here, Kip, at the MLO studio all the time for our clients and our consumers that we work with on a daily basis. But what I do personally, and I know my other partners do, is we will reach out to that listing agent. We'll call them directly, as long as you're providing that information to us. We'll call them directly and say, hey, Mr. and Mrs. listing agent, I just want to let you know that, buyers A and B are very well qualified. And I don't go into their exact details, but what I'm doing is reassuring that listing agent that they are very much pre-approved and qualified to purchase this house. I vetted them. I have looked at all the details, and I feel very confident with their loan package going through. And what this is doing is making that listing agent feel warm and secure about that buyer's offer. And hopefully they're going to choose that over just a piece of paper sitting next to them from the other buyers and no lender called them. And that's the main goal right there, sir.
And me and Casey, the deals we have had together, we've done this multiple times, and it always seems to help to have Casey call. But not only that, what happens is no other lenders do it. There's seriously like maybe a few other lenders that will do this in our market, but when me and Casey partner up and we have this connection and Casey gives that agent a call, nobody else does that, and it puts ourselves one step above all the other offers.
Great point. I think you nailed it on the head. And at the end of the day, a listing agent or a seller could be sitting there with 10 pieces of paper in front of them, and their clients are trying to decide what offer should we accept. They're all very close. It's all pieces of paper. Hey, but this one right here, Casey did call us. He did let us know. We do feel comfortable about it. And that could be the game changer for you on getting that accepted offer or not, right, Kip?
That's exactly it. I mean, the few times I've had a loan officer call me when I'm selling a home, that offer usually gets the one that's accepted. Thank you for watching this video again. Again, I'm here with Casey Carpenter with MLO. If you'd like to get a hold of him, he has the details for you.
Shoot you the deeds, guys. Hey, MLO, Modern Loan Officer Podcast. We're live every Wednesday on Facebook Live, but you can catch us on all the live podcast streams, Spotify, iHeartRadio, Apple iTunes, wherever you're catching your podcast. We are on it, and we just appreciate you allowing me to be part of your channel and show today, Kip.